Okay. I know that was a weird intro video, like me dancing. I'm just so excited, like, guys, we've done it, and God has done it again. We're halfway through the year, guys. Like, who could have thought? Like, it's July. I'm just so excited. But then, anyway, like, yeah, man. So I just want to hop by and just talk to you guys. I miss you all a lot. I know I haven't been here. I don't know, but okay, let me just get to it. Yeah, as I said, we're almost halfway through the year, and nah, man, I feel like it's just time we give praise to God, like, thank God for everything. Thank God, like, keep on trusting in the Lord. I know, like, the past 6 months, I feel like now, okay, what am I saying? I don't even know what to say, honestly. But then what I just want to remind you guys is that it's important to, like, sit down and reflect, because I know when we started the year, we had certain goals, we had certain plans that, okay, we want to achieve this by this, that. We want to reach these goals and stuff. And I know life is a lot, won't lie. And I mean, like, sometimes we won't always get what we want, like, on the get-go, and sometimes we struggle, we fail, we just, yeah, we struggle along the way, and things get a bit challenging. But yeah, man, I just want you to, like, take this moment and just use it sort of like as a reflection moment. And I want to challenge you in this month to, like, the whole month of July, I will leave it on the screen. So, like, yeah, those are, like, verses for each and every day to sort of, like, go through and, like, yeah, man, to, like, read and stuff, so that you can actually, like, grow closer to God. Because I feel like 2023, I don't know if it's just me, but for me personally, 2023 is a year of revival. It's a blooming season. It's a calm season. It's year of growing closer to God, of returning to Christ, and, like, just polishing everything up, because, man, it's just, I don't even know how to put this. But then, like, yeah, man, I just want to, like, remind you guys that it's important to, like, sit down and reflect. And it's okay if you haven't sort of, like, it's you, Lord, oh my soul. Okay, I love this song. I love this song. I feel like it's my new favorite song. I'll add it to my playlist. And I was saying that it's okay that it's okay not to, like, have everything figured out, actually, because what I've learned so far is that life is a learning curve, and we are actually learning day by day. And it's okay to trip, it's okay to fall, it's okay to struggle, it's okay not to have it on the get-go. But then what's important is what you learn from that. Like, I always say to myself that I cannot control what actually happens to me, but then I can control how I respond or how I react to certain circumstances. Okay, I speak so fast and I'm even stuttering words, but okay, to certain circumstances, so, like, it's important that you sit down and sort of like reflect and check if this is actually the life you want to live. Like, are you hurting in the path that you intend yourself to be going to, and it's important to also, like, ask for direction from God, like, pray about everything. And yeah, man, trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not to your own understanding, and everything that you do, acknowledge Him. Like, I feel like now it's just the time to solidify our foundation. We already have the foundation, guys, in Christ. We already have that. Now it's just a moment of solidifying the foundation in Christ, because I see walls toppling over. I see walls, I don't know, things are just scattered, won't lie. But then I feel like now it's just time for us to sort of, like, strengthen our foundation in Christ, and yeah, man, so just reflect in the past 6 months. Like, what is it that you liked? What is it that you didn't like? What is it that you want to change? Where can you improve? What can you learn from everything that you've been through, and yeah, man, like, one thing I've learned is that I shouldn't be ashamed of is it ashamed? Is it ashamed? No, not ashamed. I shouldn't be. Like, it's okay to be vulnerable in Christ. That's the word that stood out for me, like, for the past 6 months. 6 months in plural. Okay, yeah. That it's okay to be vulnerable in Christ. You know, like, sometimes just go to God, man, and just allow yourself to bleed in front of God. Allow yourself to break down in front of God. Allow yourself to just cry. Allow yourself to be helpless in front of the Lord. You know, it's okay to be vulnerable in Christ. But anyway, I don't want to make this video so long. I just want to like remind you that now we like almost we're halfway through the year actually, and like I just want to challenge you to sort of like work on yourself for the remaining 6 months. You know, a lot can happen in 6 months, and I've seen it. A lot can happen in 6 months, but then you decide how you want it to be. You know, just yeah, man. I know I said things in a scattered way in this video, like there was no logic to my message. I'm sorry, but then yeah, enjoy the rest of the year anyway, and good luck with the rest of your journey. And yeah, man, just keep on doing the great work. You're doing good. You're doing great, man. You're doing great. Thank you guys for watching this movie. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I haven't done this thing in a long time, but anyway, cheers.